Exploring Tokyo on a budget, your week-long adventure. Welcome to Tokyo, a city that seamlessly blends tradition with modernity, offering an exhilarating playground for every traveler. In this video, I'll take on the thrilling challenge of experiencing the wonders of Tokyo for an entire week, all while sticking to a tight budget. Whether you're an experienced backpacker or a newbie traveler, get ready to discover how you can have an unforgettable time without breaking the bank. Let's start at the very beginning of any travel journey: accommodation. Tokyo has a reputation for being an expensive city, but with a little research, we can find some fantastic budget options. Consider staying at a hostel or a capsule hotel. These are quite popular among young travelers and offer clean, compact spaces at a low cost. For those seeking a slightly more personalized experience, Airbnb can provide unique lodging at every price point, often with the added benefit of local hosts who are eager to share their tips about the city. Once we've settled in, it's time to conquer the city, affordably. Tokyo's public transportation system is efficient, convenient, and importantly, budget-friendly. By purchasing a prepaid IC card such as Suica or Pasmo, you'll save money and cruise through the city with ease. The subway and trains will be your best friends here, carrying you from neighborhood to neighborhood at minimal cost. Let's dive right into our Tokyo adventure by visiting landmarks that bring the city to life. Start with the world-renowned Shibuya Crossing, the perfect spot for people watching and taking some epic photos. Next, head to the nearby Meiji Shrine, a tranquil oasis in the heart of Tokyo. Remarkably, both of these places are completely free to visit. When hunger strikes, saunter into one of Tokyo's countless ramen shops. You can relish a steaming bowl of ramen without emptying your pockets. A win-win. Move across to Asakusa, where history flirts with the contemporary. Here, you'll find the iconic Sensoji Temple. It's Tokyo's oldest temple and is completely free to enter. Stroll through the Nakami's shopping street to discover traditional snacks. Save some room to try out yakitori from a street vendor, delicious and economical. Get ready to experience the quirky side of Tokyo in Harajuku. Explore Takeshita Street, home to vibrant youth culture and eclectic fashion. Even if shopping isn't in your budget, window shopping and people watching provide plenty of entertainment. If you're enticed by Tokyo's pop culture, visit one of the manga or J-pop stores to get a feel for the local scene without necessarily opening your wallet. They're enlightening and budget-friendly stops on our adventure. After the vibrant energy of Harajuku, it's time to dive deeper into Tokyo's culinary scene. Eating well doesn't mean spending much here. Tokyo has hidden gems scattered across the city. Venture into a local izakaya for an authentic dining experience without the extravagant prices. For lunch, head to Tsukiji Outer Market. Even though the wholesale market has moved, the flavor lives on. Buy affordable sushi from the smaller vendors for a taste of Japan's freshest seafood. Taking a break from the city buzz, let's unwind in Tokyo's beautiful parks and gardens. Ueno Park is a great spot with free entry. Within it, you'll find a mix of museums and cultural attractions, many of which offer free or discounted entry on certain days. After soaking in nature's serenity, visit an onsen. While some can be pricey, budget options with public baths outside central Tokyo offer an authentic and rejuvenating experience. No trip to Tokyo is complete without exploring its rich art scene. Take advantage of museums that offer free or discounted days. Tokyo Metropolitan Art Museum and the National Museum of Nature and Science occasionally host free entry days. Stroll through districts like Roppongi to encounter public art installations that offer cultural enrichment, completely free of charge. On our last day, we summarize our incredible week in Tokyo, all achieved on a budget. Reflect on the memories made, the sights seen, and the unique experiences. Remember, Tokyo is a city crafted for exploration, even for those on a lean budget. Throughout this adventure, we've discovered that traveling on a budget isn't just a necessity, it's a chance to encounter a city authentically. Every corner of Tokyo offers surprises, and doing it with budget-savvy smarts makes the journey even richer. As our journey concludes, one thing is clear: Tokyo can be explored affordably without compromising on experiences. With a spirit of resourcefulness and a dash of creativity, you too can discover Tokyo's wonders on a budget. Share your own budget travel tips or any Tokyo experiences in the comments below to keep the inspiration flowing for future adventurers. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cost-effective traveling stories and tips. Until next time, travel light, travel smart, and uncover the world within your means. Safe travels!